Hello guys, you use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A51, this version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Okay, device in the blue color. Completation: headphones, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Okay, device made of plastic. On the back side, quad camera LED. On the front side, 6.5-inch display, front camera. On the right side, volume keys and power keys. On the left side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the outside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. Okay, device load. Display Super AMOLED 6.5-inch Full HD Plus resolution. Okay, open settings and look Android version. About phone. Version 1UE 2.0, Android 10, version OX 3.4.1. Okay, close this. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. CPU Samsung Exynos 9611. This octa-core processor 4+4 cores, CPU speed 1.7 and 2.3 GHz. GPU Mali G72. Look resolution, CPU test resolution and GPU test resolution. Results. Okay. And to the benchmark results. Look. Test multi-touch. 10 touches display support. And open the magic game Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas works on the device. Max graphic level. Start game. Okay, game load. Works good. Really good. Okay. Close this. And now talk about camera. We have quad camera 48 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels, front camera 32 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.